Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is day 13 of the Advent calendar I'm doing with Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, Jay from J Dolls UK, and Beth from Beth Ramsden. All of their channels will be linked below in the description. We sent one another 8 items each. 8 times 3 is 24, which gave us an Advent calendar from December 1st through the 24th. I'm so excited. Look at these items that I have received so far. Oh my goodness, I am just thrilled with each and every one. My little Blythe Bluebird and I are wearing matching t-shirts for this opening, and I absolutely love that. That's off an elf. Well, off an elf, I shouldn't say that. we didn't steal it off somebody's elf on a shelf. I bought that at the Dollar General in the Christmas elf department, and I absolutely love it. And then I saw this and I thought, oh, I have to have that. And this, of course, is my new blow molds, which I love. Okay, I'm gonna reach in blindly, grab a package, and pull it out carefully. I said when I put these in here, oh, I don't want to bend anything, and then I did, but it seems flexible. This one is from the lovely Tammy Powley. I know that because of the package, the wrapping paper. Let's open it up and see what I did get. I'm opening my packages carefully because I believe in recycling. And well, my mom, when growing up, we always had to open our package. I never did open our package carefully because she saved all the wrapping paper and bows, all of that. And we had the little boxes we had to put it in here. But you know what? Good idea. This is lovely. Oh, Tammy. My goodness, I don't think I sent enough to these ladies. Look what Tammy made me. Oh, look at that. Tammy, I love that. Look at the craftsmanship. She uses snaps and oh, my fingernails kind of broke. Lines the tops. Oh, what a treasure. Tammy, you know I love this. Thank you so much. I will be trying everything on my dolls. You don't want to miss that video at the end. Please go and see what each person got today. I'm telling you, this is fantastic. These ladies are YouTube's best. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.